The entire kidney disease solution program, the core treatment information, the kidney health cookbook and diet guides, the kidney healing yoga video and audio meditation, the symptom tracker and kidney test interpreter guide, your lifetime access to updates and ongoing email support are all yours for only $87. And what's more, the entire kidney disease solution program is backed by my 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. I'll tell you more about the approach I recommend in just a minute. The fourth point to know is that you have to address the unique cause of kidney disease. There are over a dozen known causes, starting with diabetes, high blood pressure, glomerular diseases, and inflammatory kidney conditions. And to really allow your kidneys to recover and regenerate, and this should be common sense, you'll have to deal with your specific root cause. Otherwise, whatever caused your kidney damage in the first place will keep eating away at your kidney function until you do have to wind up on dialysis or get a transplant, which is something I want to help you avoid as much as possible. So what I'm telling you is that you need to have a complete plan and solution that looks at your whole body, that looks at your unique causes of kidney disease, that looks at lifestyle factors such as your diet, and that gives you the best shot at recovery by taking advantage of the most recent scientific research, as well as the healing traditions from other cultures that most doctors in the West simply don't know about yet. That's the system that Fiona and I started developing with Nana, and that allowed her to recover from kidney disease and stay healthy and happy and hopeful. And it's the same solution that I've perfected for more than a decade now, and that I've offered to thousands of people who've had equally positive results. For many, the first step involves identifying symptoms and getting better at reading kidney test results to see where you stand with kidney health and potential disease. So I include 2 guidebooks to help you get started: the Kidney Disease Symptom Tracker and the Kidney Test Result Interpreter. Then it's time to start actively working towards improving kidney health. For that, the Kidney Disease Solution also includes a complete diet program. Like I mentioned earlier, diet is a crucial component of improving your health, and a kidney-healthy diet isn't as simple as saying avoid potassium and lower sodium. Instead, what I'm going to give you is a comprehensive diet program that's grounded on a proven scientific approach that will balance the body and take the pressure off the kidneys using healthy, nutrient-dense foods. It will give you one simple rule to follow, which will ensure that each meal you eat is helping your kidneys. It will also give you diet tracking sheets and tell you how to manage food portions, how to read labels, how to eat out in a healthy and safe way, and how to stay on track with the diet. And the next time you go grocery shopping, well, you won't have to think twice, because I'll also include a kidney health grocery shopping list. Then there's the Kidney Health Cookbook you'll get. It includes over 70 kidney healthy recipes and groups them by breakfast, snacks, soups and salads, main courses, side dishes and desserts. And for those who might feel overwhelmed about so many new meal options, I'll also be equipping you with a quick meal planning guide that lays out 3 meals and 1 snack for each day of the week in an easy-to-read template. Make no mistake about it, you will have to make some dietary changes if you want to see a big improvement in your kidney health. There's no 2 ways about it. The good news is those dietary changes won't be restrictive or taste awful. As you'll see, these recipes are surprisingly delicious and inviting. And what's more, this diet will improve your overall health. For example, Ellen Fielder from Singapore saw her high blood sugar levels come back to normal by following this approach. And Bill Paprocki is off all blood pressure medication without trying. How's an average of 110/72 sound? Don't get me wrong, this isn't a miracle cure. But when you do address your overall health in a holistic way, like these folks did, your body will begin to go back to a state of balance and health, regardless of where you start from. And to help you do that even more quickly, there are still more resources to the Kidney Disease Solution Program. That's because stress, everyday common stress, whether from driving in rush hour, or dealing with bills, or having an argument, or worrying about your health and your kidneys, this stress can actually mimic and amplify all the main causes of kidney disease, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. In other words, stress, if left unchecked, will make your kidney disease worse. The good news is that you can learn to handle and reduce stress. Everybody gets stressed. It's just a matter of coming back to normal. That's why I also include an audio program that will guide you through a kidney regeneration meditation, as well as a morning yoga flow, specifically designed to promote kidney health. Don't forget that the Kidney Disease Solution Program also comes with meditation practices, breathing techniques, and key mindfulness resources you can use to improve your mental state and focus during this time of healing and restoration. And don't worry, I make sure the activities included are something anybody of any age or stage can practice, even if just for a few minutes a day, several days a week. No matter who you are, these resources will result in less stress overall and in recovering from stressful events more quickly. And trust me, the load on your kidneys will immediately be less, and your kidneys will thank you for it. There you have it, the foundational core of the Kidney Disease Solution Program. But I still have more for you in the form of 3 exciting bonuses. All 3 bonuses truly set apart what I'm offering from any other kidney health related resource currently available. First, you get lifetime updates to the program. Here's why that's important. Like I said, I'm constantly working with people with kidney disease, absorbing their feedback and their insights into their own healing. I'm also reading and keeping up with new research and new advice from scientists. And I'm fine-tuning this program and getting it back to you, so you can take advantage of all the new information we discover. Look, dealing with impaired kidney function is a lifetime project, and I want to make sure you get the best help at every step of the way. Which brings me to the second bonus. I'll also provide ongoing email support. If you ever have questions about implementing any of the advice I will give you, if you are unsure about dosing the supplements or herbs I'll recommend, if you have trouble getting your hands on these supplements and need to know where to get them at a reasonable price, you can always just write me an email and I'll help you move forward. By the way, just so you know, when you write me an email, a qualified and trained naturopath will be responding to you. This isn't some kind of generic call center that sends back canned responses. Instead, it's a qualified person who will take the time to read your specific problem, devise an appropriate solution that works, and get back to you with kindness and courtesy. If you're someone who really likes to get into the nuts and bolts of your nutritional choices, then the third bonus is for you. It's called the Kidney Diet Essentials Fast Track Guide, and it explains everything you need to know about personal diet and kidney health into easy to understand terms. This fast track guide covers topics like potassium, protein, phosphorus, and sodium levels of common foods, so you'll know exactly what you're eating every time. The additional value doesn't actually stop with the 3 bonuses either. I won't even talk about the value of dealing with your kidney disease and getting your life back, because honestly, there's really no price for that. But if you wanted to sit down with me over 8 or 12 weeks and have me give you personal ongoing treatment and the same information and support that you get through the Kidney Disease Solution, that would easily run into the thousands of dollars. Even if you simply wanted to break up this program into pieces and just look at the value of the core kidney health guide, the cookbook, the audio and video courses, and the lifetime updates and ongoing support, it would come out to well over $889 total. But you won't have to pay half of that. In fact, you won't have to pay half of that half. That's because the entire Kidney Disease Solution Program, the core treatment information, the Kidney Health Cookbook and diet guides, the Kidney Healing Yoga video and audio meditation, the Symptom Tracker and Kidney Test Interpreter Guide, your lifetime access to updates and ongoing email support are all yours for only $87. And what's more, the entire Kidney Disease Solution Program is backed by my 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you can get the Kidney Disease Solution today, jump right into my core recommendations, and start applying them immediately. You can keep going with the entire program for the next 60 days, which is enough time for the majority of people to see significant improvements in their energy, their kidney function, and their overall health.